Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Lastly, click on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to the device. Tap on Forget Next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one, just tap on Pair New Device again. Select it and click on Pair. If you can't see any available devices at the moment, just go into Tab menu, look for Bluetooth shortcut and tap on it twice. Then select Pair New Device again and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!